Hello lovelies, this is Tips with Nikki. How are you guys doing? Thank you all for stopping by. My returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys. And my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. And also, if this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly click on the red button that says subscribe to join this beautiful family. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this eggless banana bread. Guys, this bread is so delicious and yummy. You can have this anytime in the day. You can have it as a snack. You can have it for breakfast. It's all good. See how moist and soft it is. With me not wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the recipe. Here are my ingredients. Over here I have 2 ripe banana. Overripe banana is the best for this recipe, okay? And here is 1 cup of sugar and also 240 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. And the next one is I have half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and then half teaspoon of salt, okay? And also the next one is oil. I'm using vegetable oil. That's 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and also 1/3 cup of milk. Yes, so those are my ingredients. Now first of all, I'm going to prep my baking pan. To do that, I'll rub some of the vegetable oil in the pan. Rub it very well. Make sure it is well coated to avoid stickiness, to avoid the cake from sticking to the pan. After that, then I'll sprinkle some flour, as you can see me doing. Then I'll dust it out. I'll dust out the excess flour, as you can see. After that, I will lay the pan with parchment paper. Yes, then I'll rub the oil again on the parchment paper. I'm doing all this to avoid stickiness, okay? To avoid the cake from sticking into the pan, and also to come out, to be able to remove it easily. Exactly. Okay, then I'll set that aside. Then the next thing is to start mixing my ingredients. Over here is a large bowl. Then I'm going to add my banana into the large bowl, peel it off and match it in the bowl. If you have overripe banana, please make use of it, okay, for easy matching. Okay, I'm using 2 bananas, as you can see. Then I'll match until I get a smooth banana. You can see how the consistency looks like. Okay, it's good for me like this because I want some chunks of banana in my bread. So I'm done matching. So now I'm going to add the sugar to the banana. Give it a good mix to combine. Then the next ingredient is for me to add the oil. You can see, mix it together very well to incorporate. After mixing it very well, then the next one is the milk. I add the milk too and give it a good mix. Mix until it is well cooperated. Now you can see how the texture looks like. You can see not too watery. So now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Over here is my sieve. I'm going to sift the flour. Then I add the baking soda. Next is the baking powder and also the salt. I add all the dry ingredients together. Then I sieve it. All the ingredients I used in this recipe will be in the description area in case you are interested. Guys, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share it to your family and friends. It may help someone out there, okay? Be creative in your kitchen. Now it's time to give it a good mix. I'm going to mix it to create a dough. Now you can see the texture I achieved. This is what I'm looking for exactly, not too thick, not too watery. We are making a bread here, so the texture is good for me. You can see the banana chunks in it. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So now it's time to transfer it into my baking pan. At this point, I'm already preheating my oven on 180 degrees. Yes, my oven has been preheated. So I'm transferring it into the baking pan. Then I tap it for a smooth surface. Yes, tap, tap, tap. Then I'll move it into the oven. Over here, this is my preheated oven. Then I'm going to bake it on 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Yes. After 45 minutes, my bread is ready. As you can see, I'm checking if it is ready, and yes, the stick came out smoothly. So it is ready. Putting off the oven. And here we go. My eggless banana bread is ready. Still checking to make sure it is well baked, and of course it is well baked. So at this point, I decided to rub some butter on the surface just for a shining and more attractive surface. Hope you understand. Just to give it a good look. You can see. So make sure you let it cool down, okay? After leaving it to cool down for some minutes, you can see how easily it drops out. That's because of the oil I rubbed in the baking pan. It came out so easy. And here we go. My banana bread is ready. Very simple and easy to make. Be creative in your kitchen. Do your own thing and you will be sure of what you are eating, okay? No egg in this recipe and you get a perfect bread. See how it looks like. Very inviting and attractive. You can see how soft it is. Very soft and moist. Wow. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. Thank you all for watching today's video. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.